So credit card transactions can be uploaded. Certainly they can. What is coming here, and I'll just show it from the checking account side of things, is to take that next step to have a feed as well. So this is a checking account instead of a credit card, but this is coming for credit cards as well. I think it's set to be released this year. But what we have here is what's called the banking cloud. And if I just click on connect here, what this allows me to do is to tie into the different banks to have a feed of transactions as they clear the bank, automatically clear and get matched up inside of Intacct. So you can see here's the most popular 9 banks, but you can really search. It's over 3,000 banks that you can choose from just by selecting the website. Here's if I just type in bank of, it's just going to start filtering in the name of my bank. But you can find your bank and then tie in to have those. And this is coming for credit cards, so that we'll have a constant feed of credit cards available as well.
So you're saying that process is going to be significantly easier as it's going to, once you've connected up and allowed those credit card feeds to come in, it's going to bring it in automatically and allow and do some level of matching for you.
Exactly. Yeah. So it improves that process significantly.
Great. Thank you.
Another thing I'll point out here that coming in the next quarter is vendor payments and automatic vendor payments. And this is a program that will allow you to automate the process of paying your vendors if you so choose. And what that means is that if you process you approve a payment for a vendor, you can select this payment method. So CSI as the payment method, you can, instead of printing, you could select print checks, you could select create ACH file, but you could also select the CSI payment method. And if you do that, then the CSI payment method will take care of paying the vendor for you. If that means printing a check and stuffing in an envelope, that's what they'll do. If it means creating an ACH file and drawing that out, that's what they'll do. And if it means using a virtual card, almost like a debit card for the bank account, then they'll do that. And it's a very inexpensive way to process the vendor payments. So it's just automating that, acknowledging the fact that so much of our work is done remotely or not in an office today, enabling you to make those payments without having to be at a printer or upload things directly to a portal on a bank.
Yeah. And really, it's actually cheaper than printing your own. When you consider all the costs, it's actually going to be less money using a service like this than it was to maintain, your printer and stuff the envelopes and do postage even. Comes out to being less money. One other thing I guess I would just point out there as well, Eric, this is really a great example. And this sort of highlights this huge chasm of what it was like to being in the on-premise world where, it just was not possible to roll out this sort of technology improvements this rapidly. And it's really the difference of moving to sort of a cloud-based accounting package. You're seeing these sort of, a lot of these features that are coming in are not features that you're spending more money and opting into. They're features that are inherent with the investments that Sage is making in the platform on a quarterly basis.